Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles to upgrade your game? You're in the right place. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, where we break down the very best gear to help you dominate the court. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 pickleball paddles available right now. Before we dive in, make sure you check the Amazon Best Deals link in the description. That way, you can see the latest prices and pick the one that fits your budget. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. A $250 pickleball paddle is no easy investment, but those who want the best of the best gear will find interest in the Selkirk Power Air Epic. One of the premier models on the PPA Tour, this is one epic paddle. For starters, the Power Air has an elongated handle and stand shape that creates a generous surface area, while the handle makes it perfect for double-handed backhands. Second, the Power Air's performance is some of the most advanced. It's truly a power player's dream. Selkirk added the air opening to create faster swing speeds, as it feels like serves have some extra whip to them. A third key finding from playing with the Power Air Epic was the overall feel of the paddle. It's like holding the paddle equivalent of a Ferrari, fast, lightweight, sexy. The handle is luxe and cushioned, and the extra wrapping near the end of the handle helps you get a more secure grip. There are no pronounced edges on the paddle for the ball to take a weird shot off of, so there's actually a chance you get a clean return even if you connect near the edges of the paddle. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Head's Radical Elite paddle is the ultimate wallet-friendly pick for those who are getting pickleball fever. As far as design goes, the Radical Elite comes with a honeycomb core, a fiberglass finish, and a wide surface area to smack the ball. You also get a comfortable foam handle with a length similar to that of a tennis racket. While the Radical Elite lacked power a bit, this paddle prioritizes control while staying lightweight. So it's a great option for learning the game. You can play competitively with the Radical Elite too, but as you see yourself progressing, you may want to switch to a paddle with more power. But remember, this paddle retails for around $70, when in reality, it plays closer to a $100 paddle. It's such a good price that it makes for an easy pickleball gift you can give to players of all skill levels. Experts can use it as a backup paddle. Number 3. Onyx Graphite Z5. If you watch any professional pickleball events on TV, it's likely you'll notice the Onyx Graphite Z5 in a few pros' hands. Onyx has a wide array of paddles to choose from, but the Graphite Z5 is a trusted pick that's big on ball control and clean returns. The takeaway from the Z5 is that you get the best qualities of a graphite paddle for a price point of just under $100, which is an excellent value. Graphite is a favorite for many pros due to the material's strong design and lightweight feel, making it easy to control each shot and finesse where you want your ball to go. It plays with a well-balanced feeling in the hand. The Nomex honeycomb core seems to limit dead spots, and the paddle offers enough space to connect cleanly on most shots. The shape of the paddle gives you a sneaky amount of surface area too. In terms of quality, the paddle has a lofty weight and powerful sweet spot, giving it a superior rating. The paddle was especially great on serves, allowing you to whip the ball over the net and get some good spin. The Z5 caters to all skill levels, but it's especially great as a beginner pickleball paddle. You won't have to upgrade from it for quite a while. Number 4. Jula Ben Johns Perseus 3S. Made in collaboration with Ben Johns, who has dominated the PPA Tour for years, having won an impressive 123 title wins. This paddle is made with enhanced stability, giving you a precise shot from its charged carbon surface. Basically, it's been bond-treated for improved strength, which gives you a crisp feel during contact for improved energy return on the ball. In a nutshell, this gives you a poppier response. What helps make this one pro-level paddle is the insane propulsion core. It's designed with a patent-pending core that gives you explosive power, unlike any other on all shots, from line drives, drops, and dinks to counters. Combine that with an elongated paddle face, and you will have ample hitting surface area to make you a spin master with an enormous sweet spot, meaning fewer mishits too. One of the best features is that this paddle is NFC chip enabled. In a world where data is king, this allows you to access training vids based on your style of play, a community experience, and gamification, all through the Jula Connect app. This thing truly is next level. Number 5. 6-0 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. For For those looking to put their shots on spin cycle, the quartz paddle from 60 is for you. The face of the paddle is crafted from raw textured T300 carbon, which gives it the perfect hitting surface for maximum traction on the ball. Translation: more RPMs and way more spin. Then you also have the lightweight design, allowing for way faster swings and quick hands, which again can translate to more revolutions on the ball. Not only does it give you top-tier spin, but it has great flexibility to give you good control over your shot placements too. It has a solidly large sweet spot for shot forgiveness, and thanks to its one-piece unibody construction, it was also designed with durability in mind. For a paddle that is performance-driven, and for a price under $100, this is one of the best paddles on our list. They also have multiple pops of color that wrap around the head of the paddle and really stand out on the blacked-out face, so there's a choice for everyone too. So there you have it, the top 5 pickleball paddles that can take your game to the next level. Which one would you choose? Power, control, or spin? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, the Amazon Best Deals link is in the description, so you can grab the latest prices on these paddles today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and ring the bell so you never miss our gear reviews and tips. Until next time, see you on the court.